McTinney, and this is my bike check. Alright, start off with the grips. I got Odyssey keyboards, Aaron Ross signatures. Don't get the clear coats. I got stolen Vortex bar ends. I got Odyssey directors. Oh, I forgot my stem. I got TLC stolen top load stem. I got stolen cell bars. 8.25 rise. I got a Primo headset. And I got FAF tires. Then I got, in the front rim, I got the Alienation Deviant rim with Primo spokes, laced to Profile hubs, Profile Mini SS. My frame, Sunday Third Wave, 21. I got a Shadow seat post to a Colt seat. I got stolen 2.5 cranks with Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. Got a Shadow chain. I got a stolen 22 Entity sprocket. Then I got same fit FAF in the back, Alienation runway hoop with 14 gauge Primo spokes laced to Profile hub.
Can you hear the hub sound?
That's my bike check. And that's my bike check. I got a cool store bro shirt, some crew pants. I'm rocking Vans shoes. I mean Levi's. Don't get them, they rip. Yeah. Bike check.